In today's video, I'm going to share the process of using this Linhof 612 film camera, including loading film, how to shoot and unloading film. So I'm going to start with loading film. So first, to open the camera, turn the fold down locking key on the bottom of the camera to off position. And remove camera bag. And insert the MP film spool in the take-up chamber on the right side by leaf spring downward. Place unexposed roll of film in the supply chamber on the left side. And pull film until the paper leader can be threaded into the middle of the take-up spool. And advance film by turning the film advance knob until the mark of the backing paper are opposite the red reference triangle on the camera housing. And check film pressure plate on the correct adjustment. I assume most of you shooting 120 film, you need to make sure it is on the green color. If you ever shoot 220 film, then change over to red by pushing down and slide. Attach camera bag again and lock it by turning the fold down key. And adjust film counter, rotating film counter disc on the top of the camera until the two reference triangles face each other. And turn film advance knob until it stops automatically and lock it in position for the first photo. Index on film counter disc now point to the frame number 1 and camera is ready to use. The 6 photos are available on 120 film roll and 20 photos when you shoot 220 film roll. Shooting process is similar to large format lens, as basically it is a large format base lens. I usually put the shutter release cable first, and then frame the shot using viewfinder and adjust focus distance, adjust aperture and shutter speed on the front of the lens. Cock the shutter using shutter cocking lever on the front of the camera. And release shutter by clicking shutter or using cable. After each shot, turning the film advance knob until the click to the next shutter count. So after the final shot, turning the film advance knob until the counter disc does not move anymore. This guarantees that exposed film is fully rewinded onto the spool. Now you can open the camera and take the film and send it to the lab. So that's it for a very short episode of how to use this film camera. Hope this helpful, and if you have any other question about this camera, leave me a comment below or email me, and otherwise thanks for watching.